Hello, beautiful souls. Do you ever wake up, look in the mirror and wonder, why does my face look so dull? Well, today I've got something special for you, a simple morning glow routine that will make your face look fresh, glowing and naturally beautiful. No makeup, no expensive products, just pure, natural care. Step 1, morning cleansing. There. First and most important step, proper face cleansing. As soon as you wake up, wash your face with cold or slightly warm water. This helps remove dead skin and oil that build up overnight. Next, take a little rose water on a cotton pad and gently apply it all over your face. Rose water instantly refreshes and cools your skin. If you have dry skin, you can add a small amount of aloe vera gel for extra hydration. Step 2, natural face pack. Now comes the magical part, the natural face pack that brings back your glow. You'll need 1 teaspoon gram flour, besan, a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon raw milk, a few drops of rose water. Mix them well to form a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your face and neck and let it dry for 10-15 minutes. This pack deeply cleanses your skin and brings natural brightness. Once it's dry, wash it off gently with lukewarm water. Step 3, natural moisturizing. After cleansing, it's time to lock in the moisture. Apply a few drops of aloe vera gel or coconut oil gently all over your face. This keeps your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. For oily skin, use aloe vera gel, or for dry skin, use coconut oil or almond oil. Step 4, morning glow habits. Skincare alone isn't enough. Your habits also matter. Start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon to 5 minutes of face yoga like chanting, smiling exercises, or light cheek massage. And don't forget a healthy breakfast with fresh fruits and enough water. These little habits keep your skin healthy and glowing from within. Step 5, quick recap and outro. So today, you learned an easy and powerful way to get your morning glow naturally. Just remember 3 simple steps. 1, start with cleansing. 2, apply the natural face pack. 3, and never skip moisturizing. Do this daily or at least 3 times a week, and you'll see your skin shine naturally without makeup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video with another amazing day remedy. Till then, keep smiling and keep glowing.